Imagine looking up at the night sky and knowing that a massive asteroid or comet is hurtling towards Earth. What if the only way to save our planet was to use nuclear weapons? This might sound like the plot of a science fiction movie, but it is a serious topic that scientists have been debating for years. In the first part of our journey, let us understand why asteroids and comets are such a threat. These celestial bodies, often several kilometers in diameter, travel at incredible speeds of up to 70 kilometers per second. If one were to collide with Earth, the impact would release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs, causing widespread devastation. Moving into the heart of the matter, scientists have been exploring various methods to prevent such a disaster. One of the most controversial ideas is the use of nuclear weapons. The concept is simple. Detonate a nuclear device near the asteroid or comet to either deflect it from its collision course or break it into smaller, less dangerous pieces. In the final act, let us delve into the latest developments and the future of this strategy. In 2022, the United States Space Force conducted a series of simulations to test the effectiveness of nuclear deflection. The results were promising, showing that with enough warning time, a well-placed nuclear explosion could indeed alter the course of a potentially deadly asteroid.